Everything's funny, 3 a.m. My name is Yawg, and we are back at Barrel's house, playing some more Shivers 2. Oh, that's right, I've gotta look at it, like, stupidly. Yeah, come on. Come on. There we are. There we go. That's horrifying. And, okay, can't go anywhere. What the fuck is going on? Oh, gilded cage or something like that. There's a penguin. Caw-caw, caw-caw. Oh. Oh. Trip cyclone in cyclone. Tomorrow when the sky's pink, when Olivia wakes up, we leave for cyclone, sleepy town, mid-pink cliffs. Hot, I think. Da 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 da. Backstory: Dark Cloud. Who are you really? He praises the great spirit. Way to tell the words of the Indian. Of the ways of the Indian, only he's not a real Indian, so this song is stupid. I want to write a song about Dark Cloud, but it's not coming. I wish we knew who he was. The mask is so creepy. Library was open. Looked like a China's. William disappeared. Stick with the tuna. Dave came back tonight. He managed to get all the stuff on it. Okay. Doing pickups. Huh. Interesting. Oh, because everybody's watching TV. Okay. Oh. It's there. Get back to see if it comes back. That's okay. So this is useful for later. I gotta get away from whatever the fuck this is. Music-wise. God, these people have a fucking horrifying... Jesus Christ, what is this? Okay. Your thing. Okay. That must be the ant. You're saint or baddie, I can't tell which takes da 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 da. Yeah, she's baddie. The fuck is the point of that? Something about a gilded cage. What's that one bit about the gilded cage? There's too many fucking weird ass. Oop. Alright, well, this is gonna be horrifying, isn't it? They've all been killed and they've all been put out. Oh, hello. Okay, so this is where the kids have been sleeping. Obviously. Let me guess, you can only go by the, places that things have already done. Okay. I hate these fucking... So, I'm betting it's a full clear kind of situation. I'm betting I can do... Okay. Oh. Okay. I'm betting I can only move in one direction. Yeah. That's hard for me. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna idiot savant this shit, I just know it. Fuck. When I'm good, I'm good. Not all the time. Sometimes I am good. That was pretty fucking awesome. Alright. Oh, there we go. Table. Okay. That's a thing. Oh. Was it torn in half or something? Or am I supposed to feel things for these people? Because I don't. Alright, well that one was the, what was it, the bat one? What does this look like? Okay, so... bat. Okay, so it's the one that looks like the little bird one, but it's not actually a bird. Bird, but not a bird! Cross. Yeah. Pew pew me, yeah. There's a fucking... Where are you? It's gonna be like the fucking spider one. I'm just not gonna see it until I'm at my ass whooped. Alright. Where the fuck is that bird one? The bird one was like the one I kept running into, and I was pissed off about it. I was like, it's the fucking bird one. It's right here. There it is. Jesus. God, they're whooping my ass. Okay. La da 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 da. Yo. No, what the fuck? No, the fuck? Where? And awesome. I lost my fucking mouse. Good times. Good times. I'm gonna see y'all next time. I'm gonna just solve this one later.